வணக்கம் வைஷுபீடியா தமிழ் சேனலுக்கு உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறேன்.
கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். 4th ல இருந்து 9th லாஸ்ட் வீக்கோட கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் கம்பைண்டாக நான் போட்டிருக்கேன். இதை நீங்கள் ஃபோக்கஸ்டாக படிங்க, உங்களுக்கு நல்லா யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். Union government extend the superannuation age of LIC chairman up to 62nd years. Nawab sanctioned rupees 388 crore for drinking water and road project in Odisha. World third largest cricket stadium to upcome in Jaipur. Pushkar Singh Dhami take oath as 11th chief minister of Uttarakhand. இதெல்லாம் வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு நோட் போட்டு கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ்க்குன்னு ஒரு நோட் போட்டு கரெக்டாக நீங்கள் நோட் பண்ணிட்டு வந்தீங்கன்னா உங்களோட எக்ஸாம்ஸில் வந்து நீங்கள் வந்து பாஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நிறைய வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. Appointments. Advocate K.N. Bhattachary was appointed as the new Lok Ayukt of Tripura. இல்லைனா நீங்கள் இந்த வீடியோவே நீங்கள் ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் நீங்கள் போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். Satish Agnihotri was appointed as the Managing Director of National High Speed Rail Corporation Limited. PVSL Murthy was appointed as the new CMD of NIDIF. Book and author. Dhanwal Kulkarni new book titled Nathiram Godse, The True Story of Gandhi's Assassin is set to release in 2022. A new book titled Tiananmen Square, The Making of Protest was authored by Vijay Gokhale. Sports news. Indian wrestler Sumit Malik gets a 2-year ban for doping. Mariyappan Thangavelu was named as the flag bearer of Indian contingent for 2020 Tokyo Paralympic. Max Verstappen wins the Formula 1 Austrian Grand Prix 2021. Indian women cricketer Mithali Raj becomes the leading run scorer across formats in women's international cricket. Indian Navy athlete MP Jabir qualified for Tokyo Olympic in 400-meter hurdles. Economic news பார்க்குறீங்க. Invest India wins the most innovative investment promotion agency 2021 award. லாஸ்ட்லாம் பார்த்தது வந்து 4 and 5, இது 6th important days. World Zooners Day 6th. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates the Govind Global Conclave 2021. President Ramnath Kovind appoint new governors for 8 states. The 52nd edition of the International Film Festival of India is scheduled to be held in Goa. Union Minister of Education launched NIPUN Bharat Mission. Cochin International Airport launched a flood mitigation project named Operation Prava. NTPC and ONGC plan to boost the development of offshore wind energy in India. Andy Jassy takes over as the CEO of Amazon. China launched Fenghe 3 meteorological satellite. Book and author of 6th. A new book titled Lady Doctor, The Untold Story of India's First Woman in Medicine was authored by Kavita Roy. A new book titled Operation Kukri, The True Story Behind the Indian Army's Most Successful Mission as the part of the United Nations was authored by Major General Rajpal Pune and Damini Pune. Sports news. Vicom 18 backs Spanish Football League La Liga's broadcast right for 3 years. Maricom and Manpreet Singh to be Indians flag bearers for the Tokyo Olympic Games 2020 opening ceremony. 7th order important days. அது வரையும் லாஸ்ட் ஸ்லைட் வரையும் 6th ஓவர். இப்போ 7th important days. World Chocolate Day and also Global Forgiveness Day. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar virtually inaugurates India Pavilion at 74th Cannes Film Festival. Union Minister of Ayush Kiran Raju launches 5 important portals in Ayush sector. Union government sets up 9-member panel headed by R.S. Sharma to check digital monopolies. Union government launched mobile app Machua Setu for Indian aqua farmers. Union government creates a new Ministry of Cooperation for strengthening cooperative movement. Ramgarh Vishdari becomes the 4th tiger reserve in Rajasthan. Nitin Gadkari becomes the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakritik paint to promote paint made from cow dung. Khadi and Village Industries Commission has launched a unique project named Project Bamboo Oasis on lands in drought to create bamboo-based green patches in arid and semi-arid land zones. Union Cabinet approves an MOU between India and Gambia on governance reforms. Appointments. Neha Parak was appointed as the CEO of crowd-sourced navigation app Wazi. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu was appointed as the Chief Secretary of Uttarakhand. Book and author. A new book titled The Fourth Line Essay for Gopalakrishna Gandhi was authored by Venu Madhav Govindu and Srinath Raghavan. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar passed away at 98. Director of Superman Richard Donner passed away at 91. Sports. James Anderson takes 1000th first-class cricket wicket. Nihal Sarin wins the Silver Lake Open Chess Tournament. 8th, Jammu and Kashmir government approves uploading of geotagged photographs through Proof mobile app. Indian economist Kaushi Basu was awarded as the prestigious Humboldt Research Award. Union government brings the Department of Public Enterprise under the Union Finance Minister to boost disinvestment coordination. Union Minister of Tourism signs an MOU with Yatra to strengthen tourism and domestic hospitality industry. Sports. Hu Yusuf wins the 2021 Women's Speed Chess Championship title. Livon Arion wins the Gold Money Asian Rapid Chess Tournament 2021. Mumbai and Pune to host the 2022 AFC Women's Asian Cup. Obituary. Olympic gold winning hockey legend Keshav Dutt passed away at 95. Former Himachal Pradesh CM Virbendra Singh passed away at 87. President of Haiti Jovenel Moses passed away at 53. 9th, Amazon launched its first digital Kendra in Surat. Indian Army's Gulmar firing range was named the Vidya Balan firing range. Union government sets up 25-member development council for cement industry headed by Punit Dalmia. Indian Railways opens its first movable freshwater tunnel aquarium at Bangalore Railway Station. Delhi Metro launches India's first FASTag-based cashless parking at Kashmir Gateway. World's tallest sand castle was built in Denmark. Staffan Löfven was re-elected as the Prime Minister of Sweden. Srisha Bandela becomes the second Indian-born woman to fly to space. Kanjan Ursandi finished the world's first solo motorcycle expedition covering 80 pass of Himalayas. Udayaman becomes the second Indian male golfer to qualify for the Tokyo Olympic 2020. Indian women cricketer Mithali Raj tops the ICC Women's ODI player ranking for the 8th time.
Thank you for watching the full video. இதே மாதிரி சண்டே உங்களுக்கு கரண்ட் அஃபேர்ஸ் நான் அப்லோட் பண்ணுவேன். நம்ம சேனலை நீங்கள் மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஃபேமிலி எல்லாத்துக்குமே இந்த வீடியோ நீங்கள் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றிகள் கலந்த வணக்கம்.